In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Elevenlabs Webhook step by step. If you're looking to automate processes with Elevenlabs, integrating webhooks can be a game changer for your workflow. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Elevenlabs website. You can do this by typing in the URL or simply searching for Elevenlabs free text-to-speech and AI voice generator in your search engine. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and the available features if you're new to the site. Next, you'll need to log into your Elevenlabs account. If you haven't signed up yet, make sure to create an account, as you won't be able to access the webhook integration without one. For those who already have an account, click on the Log In button located at the top right corner of your screen. Enter your email and password to access your account dashboard. Now that you're logged in, head over to the Elevenlabs homepage. This is usually just one click away from the login screen. You'll find various options and settings here. Our focus today, however, is on setting up the webhook. The next step is to click on the Settings option. You'll typically find this in a menu possibly located on the left-hand side of your screen or somewhere at the top, depending on the current website layout. Clicking here will take you to the area where you can customize and configure various aspects of your Elevenlabs account. Within the Settings section, look for the Webhooks option. It might be listed under Integrations or something similar. Clicking on Webhooks will bring you to a page dedicated to managing your webhooks. Here, you'll find any existing webhooks you have set up, and you'll have the ability to create new ones. To create a new webhook, you'll need to click on the Create Webhook button. This should be clearly marked and easy to find. Once you click, you'll be prompted to enter the necessary details to configure your webhook. Be precise about the URL you're linking to, as the system will send data to this endpoint whenever the specified events occur. Remember, webhooks are a powerful feature for integrating different services and automating tasks, but they also require correct configuration to work effectively. Make sure that the URL you're using is set up to handle incoming requests and process them as needed. That sums up our guide on setting up your Elevenlabs webhook. Thank you for watching, and we hope this step-by-step guide has made integrating Elevenlabs webhooks simpler and more approachable. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out for support. Happy integrating!